Section 4. A clean slate for efficiency. Literally. As you finish cleaning and inspecting your workspace, take a moment to appreciate the transformation. Your workspace is now a beacon of cleanliness and organization, a shining example of efficiency in action. And, more importantly, it's a space that you can feel good working in. But our work here isn't done yet. Remember, the W in Tower also stands for establishing a cleaning schedule. Because, let's face it, even the most meticulously cleaned workspace won't stay that way for long without a little maintenance. So, take a few minutes to create a realistic cleaning schedule that works for you and your workflow. This could involve daily, weekly, or monthly tasks, depending on the nature of your work and the level of cleanliness required. The key is to make it a habit, a regular part of your routine, so that your workspace stays sparkling clean and primed for productivity.